What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, on today's video, as usual, I teach hip-hop dance via Zoom because our studio is still closed. So this song is called Moist by Bellinger. I don't know how to pronounce. This one. Okay, let's start. Alright, let's start. So jump 1 and 2. Remember that? Down 3 and 4. Then suddenly and 5. So 6. Go to your heart. 6. Down 7. Down 8. So that one is fast. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7. Jump. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Chest, 7 and 8. Very good. Next. So you're gonna go back. 1, 2. So 2 hit from the back. 7 and 1, 2. Then you're gonna drop 3 and 4. Copy? Then you're gonna go to the front. 3 and 4, 5. Okay, again. So from here, sorry, I was looking on the screen. So what's the last part? Let's try again from the top. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Start with the left, front 5, up on 6, go to your left, 7 and 8. One more time, from the beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, chest, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, left front, up, 7, 8. Very good. Next, from 7, 8, you're gonna lift your left knee. 1, kick on 2, 3, clap, 4. Then simply go 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? One more time. So 7, 7, lift. 1, 2, 3, clap on 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's quick. Let's continue. From here, go back. 1, 2, and push it. 3, 4. Away on 5, 6. Step your right to the front. 7, 8. Got it? One more time. Let's start from here. 6, 7, up. Lift 1, 2, 3, clap 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's continue. From here slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then chest. 5, 6. Step to the back. Your arm driving. 7 and 8. Very good. From here 6, 7. And slow, 2, 3, 4, chest, 5, 6, back on 7 and 8. Continue. Step to your right, point left, 1, 2, open, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. So driving to the back, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. For the last one, jump 1, toss. You're gonna toss it. 2, 3, and walk. And that's it. One more time. So from here, from chest, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Go jump 1, 2. Actually, you can go 3 and walk. Walk, 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 walk. One more time, and that's the choreography. One more time now. From 7, 8, side 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Hop, walk, and good job. Let's try from the beginning. All of it. Here we go. 5, 6, slowly. 5, 6, and 7. Jump. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Chest. 7, 8. 1, 2. Drop. And 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Away. 2. Push. Push. 5, 6, 7. And slowly. 2, 3. Chest. 5. Here we go. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Last 7. Jump. 3. Walk. And that's it. Now let's try with music.
Like this, when the last time you ran. Tryna get you back shots. Booty too big, is that ass shots? Your nigga ain't a player, he a mascot. Just tryna get you wetter than my last watch. You know I need it.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on my video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.